year. And the teachers are paid the same as doctors and lawyers.
Wow.
You know, be nice.
Very nice. So you're saying we should follow?
We should follow some, all those countries and having very success rate 95%
Wow.
graduation, you know.
Mm-hmm.
In Hawaii, I think it's what is it, like 75% graduation or something.
Mm-hmm.
It's very high.
Yes. I think it's the ideal that either, I don't know, I think teachers have this like expectation or this idea that we're robots.
Mm-hmm.
So they give us the information and they expect us to pay it back in full.
Yeah.
But then that's more often never the case because some don't pay attention to the work, and so they have to expect this thing. Plus, they know that we have a lot of other classes as well, but they still keep cramming till the brain is mush. So I think that's why. And I think testing is the grading scale for whether we did the work, we learned the material, we asked questions, paid attention in class. So.
Yeah, the thing that really gets me too is that when they have a big school and not enough subjects for kids in, some classes like usually music and art become what they call dumping classes. They'll just put kids in there because there's no place to put them. And the kids don't want to be in that class, and it makes a big difference too.
Kind of like as TV show cartoons portray, kind of like remedial English kind of classes.
Yeah.
And next question. In what way, so far we're talking about is how music education is just as important as any others. How do you, next question, what do you think of how music education shapes the way students think? I'd probably ask that question.
Yeah.
But
I think music helps kids think more analytically, how to figure out problems. Because when I'm teaching music, I'm teaching basic like note reading and things at the beginning, but I'm also teaching them math. I'm teaching them writing skills in music and regular writing. I'm teaching them about working together for a common goal. We teach all the steps in band, but people don't
they don't see it.
They don't see it. We teach everything. Right now we have writing examples of argumentative writing, which we do, the other teachers do. You know, but they said, band, all they do is teach band. I said, no, that's not just band.
Just the shallow, outside, kind of naive.
Like here, our writing, our final product, like in English, your final product is writing an essay. Math is taking the test and passing. In music, our final is not writing, it's the total, like the big picture you said. The finished product, it's a performance. Like we just did a performance at the Civic Center. 6th graders and concert band. And they said it's the first time our band actually went to participate. And they've been doing it in Hilo and here. It's the first time they announced at the program, it's the first time Kelly K Intermediate participated in the band festival. So that was the first for us. And
that's a big step up to rebuilding the program.
I think the kids should be out there all the time to play.
So you're saying band has all of what math, English, all of the core classes have, but all in one, but with a musical twist.
Yeah.
So basically the counting, the note values, so what else is math related to music? Counting measures.
The
dividing, adding, all that basic math, all into music. And then the English part is like reading measures, reading Latin terminology, reading the tempo.
Oh, yeah.
And
When I was teaching North Carolina, I taught this class. We would trade teaching positions, like with a teacher, like at the end of the semester. So I always went to teach the adult math class for 2 weeks. And what we did in 2 weeks, I taught them how to do all the problems with music notes. You know, it's impossible. There's a way to do that. You can even do algebra with music notes. And people said, "Well, you're crazy." I said, "No, I might be, but I can teach it." You know.
I was like, why didn't you get like 2 when you added 2 homeworks?
Yeah, that's right.
Or get like, I don't know, 8 when you have 2 measures of 4 quarter notes per measure on a 4x4 time signature. Right on. I think that concludes our interview.
Okay.
Thanks, Mr.
You're welcome.